In today's video, I'm gonna share with you 5 things you need to know about acrylic paint before you even start painting. In fact, these are 5 things I wish I knew before I started painting, or somebody would have at least shared with me, because it's gonna save you a lot of time, energy, but more importantly, your money. Here we go. Number 1 is start with quality, budget-friendly acrylic paints, not cheap acrylic paints. While there is nothing wrong with using cheap paints, in fact, you can make beautiful art with it, investing in high quality but budget-friendly acrylic paints can make a significant difference in your painting experience. They often have better pigmentation, consistency, and color retention. This will allow you to achieve more vibrant and lasting longer results. Essentially, what it all boils down to is you're gonna have less headaches painting because you're gonna get what you want. Number 2 is buy what you need and don't overbuy niche colors when you're first starting out. This right here is easily one of the biggest beginner traps when it comes to acrylic paint. Generally, acrylic paint is more affordable to get into, so your dollar goes further, so you spend it on more colors. But those colors you spend on, you're generally not gonna use because they're niche. Do this instead. Just buy the primary colors plus black and white. The reason is it's gonna teach you how to mix your colors. You're gonna learn about color theory. You're gonna understand what you're applying to the canvas more. But more importantly, it's gonna save you money. Oh man, number 3, I really wish somebody would have taught me this sooner, is keep your stored acrylics away from sunlight and heat. What a waste of money. When you store your acrylic paints in direct sunlight or heat, the acrylics in the bottle can actually sweat or evaporate the water and the binder materials out, which means it's gonna separate the paint and it's gonna make it all chunky, it's not gonna flow, and it's basically gonna be unusable for you. It can also tend to harden if the container is not airtight. Basically, if you keep your acrylics stored in direct sunlight or heat, you're essentially just throwing money away. If you can, keep your acrylic paints stored in a cool, dry spot away from direct sunlight and heat. If you're looking for an easy solution for this, in the art studio here, I use these foldable and collapsible cube storage units, perfect for my acrylic paints. Or if you're looking for something that's more portable, I recommend get yourself a cheap or used toolbox, perfect for storing your bottles and tubes, and guess what? You can take it on the go. Number 4 is remember to work quickly in sections and keep a spray bottle handy so your acrylics don't accidentally dry up on you, which can be both a blessing and kind of a challenge. To extend the working time, keep a spray bottle of water nearby and mist your palette, paints, or canvas when needed. This will keep your paints wet and workable for longer periods of time. Number 5, water clean your brushes often. At some point during your painting adventures, you're gonna use a paintbrush and quickly swap over to another one, which means you're gonna forget about this paintbrush, which it's going to harden and dry, ruining the bristles and brush overall. Just quickly dab it in water when you're done, swish it around, and dab it on a paper towel, so that way it stays wet and won't dry, or it's clean for the next time of when you wanna use it. This is gonna save you a lot of time and effort, but more importantly, it's gonna save you money because you're not gonna burn through paintbrushes. Now that you have all this advanced acrylic painting knowledge, you need to apply it to a fun tutorial, which I recommend checking the video over to my side. And if you're an oil painter and you want this type of same knowledge, hey, guess what? That's what our next video is about. Or if it's already up, it's over to my side. So go ahead and check it out to see more of me. Or hit that subscribe button for when it goes live. I'll check you all later. Good luck. And of course, peace.